Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing your MacBook Air for Mac OS Ventura. Back up your data using Time Machine to an external drive now. Confirm your MacBook Air is a 2018 or later model to ensure compatibility. Free at least 20 GB of storage space to hold the installer and temporary files. Connect the Mac to a power adapter and ensure the battery stays charged during the process. Update all apps and note any critical settings before proceeding with the upgrade. Open System Settings, select General, and tap Software Update to locate Mac OS Ventura. If Ventura appears, choose Upgrade Now and begin downloading the installer immediately. The installer file is about 12 GB and needs a stable Wi-Fi connection for a quicker download. Keep your Mac connected to power and avoid sleep during download and installation. Follow on-screen prompts to agree to terms and select the startup disk when requested. The entire installation process can take up to 1 hour, depending on hardware and internet speed. After installation completes, log in and let Mac OS optimize system files. Open the App Store and update all apps to ensure compatibility with Ventura. Verify that time, machine completed a backup, and create a fresh backup for safety. Review system settings for new privacy and permission prompts and adjust them to your preferences. Reconnect peripherals and confirm printers and scanners function correctly after the upgrade. If performance issues appear, restart in safe mode and check storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.